what's your reaction to Torres' appointment as PNP chief?
That's my reaction. So
Yeah.
next question.
Opo. Yung reaction po ninyo.
Yun, sir.
Okay, so this one. No comment talaga on the reconciliation kasi sabi ng allies niya kailangan mabalik si former President Rodrigo Duterte for that to happen.
Yes, that is the sentiment of the millions of Filipinos, not just in the Philippines but worldwide, no? That is their sentiment. But my stand is, whatever personal grudges that we have, whatever personal problems that we have with each other is not really important. What is important is that the administration focus on the problems that we see every day in our country. We want a better life, a better Philippines for everyone. And that is the job of the president, that is the work of government, and we want them to focus on that. And as I said, the personal problems are so tiny in the universe of problems of the Philippines.